Hey my loves, it's Mutulu and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a womb tonic. So here's the ingredients. Everything you see me throwing in my salad master is blue vervain, Jamaican dog blood, cheney root. That's what you saw in the beginning. I'm now going to add some endocrine to some water, and here you see I blended it alongside some African ginger as well. I'll show you how much I use of the ginger as the video. There it is. Hello. I had some elderberries boiling on the stove that we had used, so I'm just going to pour the rest of the elderberries in there, because what you can do is you can reboil it. So instead of me reboiling it, I'm just going to add it to the tonic. Now the elderberries is not an essential, it's optional, but you can work with it to boost your iron content, all right? Elderberries can be bought via eatlivenottoDie.com. So here what I did was I brought my water to a boil before I added my herbs. It's very important that you do that, okay? Now here you can see me adding some clove powder. So I added roughly about, let's just say, a tablespoon and a half of clove powder. Yes. So I'm just gonna let that now simmer down for roughly 3 hours on the lowest heat in my salad master. After 3 hours, you're going to turn the heat off on your stove, and then you're just going to leave it to sit for roughly 12 hours. So you can just leave it overnight and let it cool down thoroughly, let it extract further and become stronger. Then you strain it. Put it in glass bottles and you can drink 2 cups of this per day. And that is it. It's very simple. It's very easy to make. Please store it in your fridge, like I said, and every time you want to drink it, just reheat it beforehand. If you want to learn how to use this alongside during a fast, you can download our Fast with Mutulu via mutulu.co.uk. And there you can learn how to use this as well as doing a fast. I trust that you enjoyed watching this video. Take care, my lovelies.